In this video, we're going to see how a property manager or landlord can get any service done from the service provider by connecting a vendor to the service. So on the screen, we can see we have a new capability here, service tickets. On clicking this, you can see capability where you can create a new ticket or you can view all the existing tickets for this property. So what's happening here is if you want to create a new ticket, you can click that plus button, which will open up the service ticket page where the type of service required. There are a lot of different service types which you can request for. You can add the description. You can, if your vendor is already on this platform, you can select by entering their start entering their name, or if the vendor doesn't exist, you can create an account for vendor by adding them here. So to add a vendor, you need their name, email and mobile. So as soon as you add these details, then account will be created for your vendor and it will be sent to their email address where they can just log in, set up their account, and they can start seeing all the services which you have assigned to them. Okay, so here I'm not going to create any service ticket. I'll just have a look at the one which is already been created. This is one of the service ticket which has been created. So this should load with some details here. I haven't added any photos for this. This will basically so as a property manager, when I have created this ticket, this shows the tenant details, the vendor to whom it's been assigned, and what kind of details it is. So property manager also has an capability where he can create an estimate, he can create a report, and he can schedule a site visit. So what so a vendor, once he logs in, when he picks up this ticket, the view would be pretty much similar the one which we are seeing now. He can go in, he can create an estimate, he can generate any reports at different stages of like initial inspection, progress, and while completion. He can create different set of reports there. We'll see these capabilities in a different video. So on high level, this is how it's going to work. And vendor is going to get the details of the tenant so that he can contact and coordinate the time to schedule an site visit and get the details of what service needs to be done at the property. So I hope this video helps you to understand how the service provider module or vendor management module works on this platform.